Hi guys, what if I teach you to solve this question without any pen or paper? So if you have same number with same sign like division, if you have same number with repetitive division, so what you have to do, just ignore the first two numbers. Okay, ignore the first two numbers, put 1 here and write down the rest numbers in the denominator with multiplication. So our answer will be 4 by 4 equals to 1 by 4 times 4 is 16th. So answer will be 1 by 16. I hope you like. If you like this, do subscribe my channel for more such tricks. So let's solve one more question for the clarification. So suppose we have 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. Okay, so what we have to do here, just ignore first two threes and write down 1 upon 3 times 3 times 3. What it will be? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So our answer will be 1 by 27. I hope you like this method. So do connect with me and subscribe my channel for more such quick tricks and tips. Thanks for watching.